Children, let us start the revision of the leftover portion of Civics chapter 3. In previous video, we have done how the MLAs are elected, how the ruling party is formed, what is opposition, what is coalition, then how the different MLAs turn into ministers, and the group of members is known as the Council of Ministers. Chief Minister is the head of the Council of Ministers. In a democracy, the decisions taken in the Legislative Assembly, they are to be approved by the MLAs. In a democracy, these members can ask questions, डिबेट एन इम्पोर्टेंट इशू. डिबेट होता है बेटा किसी चीज़ के विषय में वाद विवाद करना. एंड डिसाइड वेयर मनी शुड बी स्पेंट. लेट अस मूव अहेड. अ डिबेट इन द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. अब इसमें दिखाया गया बेटा कि लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में पक्ष और विपक्ष मीन्स ruling party and the opposition, how they have debate on the different issues. The MLAs can express their opinions and ask questions related to the issue or give suggestions about what should be done by the government. Those who wish to can respond to these. Those who wish to, ये कौन होगा? जवाब किसको देना होगा? These would be the ministers. Those are in charge of the specific portfolios. The minister then replies to the questions and tries to assure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. यहाँ वो opposition के members को satisfy करते हैं that we are doing the work properly. Let us see the debate between the different MLAs there in assembly. Now MLA 1 is saying, in my constituency of Akhandagaon, that is the name of the place, during the last 3 weeks there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. What is diarrhea? Diarrhea is a disease which is waterborne, or we can say diarrhea is the waterborne disease in which the body face the deficiency of water. I think now this MLA is saying, I think it is a shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea. अब आपको लगता है बेटा यहाँ पे ये कौन सा MLA बोलता होगा? That would be the MLA of the ruling party or the opposition party? Yes, that would be the MLA of the opposition party, because the opposition party always try to find out the faults. And he is saying that while proclaiming itself to be a champion of technology, I would call the attention of the minister in charge of health. अब ये डायरिया या कोई बीमारी वगैरह का ध्यान कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट देगा? That is the health department. To take the immediate measures to control the situation. Now third MLA is saying, my constituency of Tolpati too has a serious shortage of water. Again, it would be the MLA of opposition or the ruling party. Yes, that would be the MLA of the opposition. अब वो क्या अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी की प्रॉब्लम बताता है? दैट वीमेन हेयर हैव टू ट्रेवल अप टू अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 3 to 4 किलोमीटर टू गेट water. Means the people in his constituency, they do not get the sufficient water for their daily needs. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? Why the government needs to? Because it is the duty of the government to provide the basic amenities to the people of the state. Now the MLA is asking, how many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected, कि बीमारियों से बचने के लिए what the steps the government has taken. Now fourth MLA is saying, I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problems. Exaggerating होता है बेटा बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना. And who he could be? This MLA 4, that is from the ruling party, and that is the minister himself. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. ORS, oral rehydration solution, that is to be given while there is the deficiency of water in our body. The government is doing everything possible to help people. That is the assurance given by the health minister. Next MLA 5, we have very poor facilities in our hospitals. फिर दोबारा ये कौन होगा? That would be the MLA of the opposition. There are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. How are we going to ensure that ORS packets reach all families in the affected areas? Means he wanted to assure that all the people in the affected area are getting the proper treatment. Number 6 MLA, the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. फिर ये कौन सी पार्टी से हो सकता है? That is from the majority party, the ruling party. And the previous government did not pay any attention to sanitation. He is saying he is that member of the ruling party is also blaming the previous government. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around the ears. Means that MLA is trying to tell about the efforts taken by their government. Then we have debate. The members, they were debating the action taken or not taken by the government. Action taken कौन बताएगा? That is the minister of the ruling party. And not taken by the government, that is by the opposition, the MLA of the opposition. कभी भी बेटा opposition party नहीं होती है. All other members, those are not in the ruling party, they make opposition. And this is because the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. Ruling party तो कहती है हमने क्या किया, और opposition कहती है आपने क्या नहीं किया. And together they work for the government. In common uses the word, साधारण शब्दों में हम गवर्नमेंट किसको कहते हैं? गवर्नमेंट refers to government departments and various ministers who head them, and the chief minister is the overall head of the government. All the MLAs who gathered together in the assembly, in the legislative assembly, they are called the legislatures. तो बेटा जो MLA चुने हुए होते हैं in the assembly, they are known as legislature. And all the elected ministers, they make executive with their government departments. And the body which keeps a check on the government, on executive and legislative, that is judiciary. And media, it discusses about the policies of the government. We have read in the previous chapter that media is considered as the fourth pillar of the democracy. Thank you, children. That was for the revision of chapter 3 of civics.